Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, simple search, you'll be able to find all of our previous pictures, videos, as well as videos of our current projects. Really appreciate if you guys would leave a like and subscribe there. But we're out here doing another walkthrough. This is the final day of our project in Independence, Missouri. So we are just putting the finishing touches on everything, getting everything cleaned up down here in the basement. Here in just a few minutes, we will finish up getting the brick cleaned up and get some sealant on there. But we've already tuck pointed all of the stone on this upper level near the entry stairs, so got that properly sealed up. Our new floor is looking very nice. We'll be back out here tomorrow to take the forms off. But everything turned out great on this project. Had a lot of dirt we needed to excavate out of here just to be able to set up forms for the bulkhead wall that spans the front of the house here and right here. Now that everything is poured and painted, it looks a lot more uniform than it did previously, so very, very nice here. We've also touched up the upper levels above, and then we have the smaller bulkhead wall where there was previously an existing cavity where a lot of brick underneath the front porch had just collapsed inward. So we got all that cleaned out. We had our entryway at the front porch, and that is how we facilitated getting the concrete in here and pour that for the bulkhead walls. So a lot of concrete went into getting this project done. We poured a lot for the bulkhead walls, poured a lot for the floors, poured even more for some concrete footings here that the vertical support beams are placed on. You can see we've done a couple here as well. So everything went as well as it possibly could have. This is a long project, but we wanted to make sure that it was done correctly. So yeah, I'd say everything turned out very, very nice on this project. Homeowners should be very happy. It's really a complete transformation of the basement down here. So I would really recommend going back and looking at the first couple videos when we started this project and comparing them to the one that I'm shooting right now, and you can really see the difference down here. So again, you can find all those updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.